Okay, we have a Milltronics 3-axis CNC bed mill, model MB20, serial number 6928. Machine was new in 2001. We're gonna run her for you. Machine has a Centurion 6 control. You have a large table, 16 by 54. You have 38 inches of X travel, 20 in the Y, and 24 in the Z. Great. You got hardened and ground ways. We also have a manual quill of 6 inches. Machine also has a 40 taper spindle. We're running right now is programmable spindle speeds up to 4,000 RPM. You have a Yaskawa spindle drive. That's 2,500 RPM. Machine is nice and quiet. You also have manual hand wheels to use to use the machine as a manual mill or teach mode. Machine has a 40 taper spindle, as I said. Also has a power drawbar. Hey, thank you for watching our video.